Hi everybody, so this is the Bitmain power supply like that, and I'm just gonna unbox it. So, I removed the tape that was on this side. Oh, there it is. It's interesting. That's where all the cables are. Pretty tight in there. Should be able to get it. This side is just black. Just gonna pause a bit. So back again, this is the power supply. It's pretty big. As you can see, this is about 3 inches high, roughly. So many cables, 7 connectors, as you can see. And that is a potentiometer right here. I believe that would be for adjusting the output voltage. I wish I can get the schematic. If I could, I would be able to tell you exactly. And this is the plug. Unfortunately, no on-off switch. So we'll plug it downstairs and we'll see.